welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie Fillion. Thanks for joining me today. I am doing a dollar store makeover. I got this plain red sleigh at the dollar store and I'm making it over into this cute hot cocoa gift basket just using some Grinch napkins. Of course, you can use any napkin that you pick, and I'm using Mod Podge satin, and to add those little sparkles and the little glitter on the Grinch's fur, I'm using Mod Podge sparkle. Let's dive right in and create this really cute gift basket. For the hot cocoa basket, I'm using this plastic sleigh that I picked up at the dollar store. And I want to cover up that Merry Christmas part. I'm using Mod Podge in satin and Folk Art Home Decor chalk as a primer. So first I'm painting the section that says Merry Christmas with the primer. And this is just chalk paint. It works really great on plastic, especially if you're going to be Mod Podging over it. I did wash my surface before I painted it. And because this is going to be seen, I did do 2 coats of the chalk, and I made sure that I did some nice even brush strokes at the end, so I had a nice surface. We're only going to be crafting with the top printed ply of the napkin, so you want to go ahead and separate those layers. Now here's a little tip to get that feathered edge. I'm just using a little bit of water on a paintbrush, and then I painted around the image or the graphic that I want to cut out of my napkin. This will create a feathered sort of organic edge, and it'll blend into the painted areas a lot smoother than a straight cut. Next, I just lay out my design plan. I'm going to use a few different Grinches and of course our Merry Grinchmas. I'm going to attach everything with Mod Podge matte. You're going to apply the Mod Podge directly to your surface. You don't need a lot of Mod Podge, less is more here. Then go ahead and place your napkin applique right into the Mod Podge and then gently top coat, and you can smooth that with your fingers to remove any wrinkles. Then just keep adding more to your design. You can snip away if it goes over the edge, or you can wrap it around to the bottom side. And then just keep adding your design pieces. For this type of napkin decoupage, I like to do 3 top coats with about an hour dry time in between each top coat. First, you'll add your top coat, then let that dry, and then you'll build up that layer, and that way all of the lines of the napkin will start to disappear. Okay, let's add some sparkle. I'm using Mod Podge sparkle just to add a little glittery touch to all of the accents on the Grinch, the little fur on the collar and the hat, and that'll just create a nice little glittery effect. Okay, let's add some little embellishments. I've got some stones and Fimo slices, and I'm just using that same Mod Podge glitter as glue. Look how cute this turned out. All right, thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope that you love this project as much as I do. Go grab some of those holiday napkins and make over some dollar store items. Make sure you're sharing your projects with us. Use those hashtags PlaidCrafts and Mod Podge so that everybody back at Plaid can see what you're making. Have a great holiday season.